Hello everyone, welcome to Don Bosco College of Hospitality Studies. Let's embark ourselves on this sweet and spicy journey where I show you modern and traditional Indian spices and ingredients. Starting with old spices that we use in our day-to-day cooking such as cinnamon, bay leaf, mustard, coriander seeds, peppercorns, cardamom, etc. Moving forward, we have some fancy spices such as nutmeg, mace, black cardamom which are used in biryani and different gravies. Also, we have other spices in their whole and powdered forms such as turmeric and asafoetida. The very first ingredient that we use in our daily cooking are fats and oils. In Indian cuisine, we make use of varieties of oil such as peanut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil, and not forgetting the clarified butter, also known as ghee. Next are some souring agents such as lemon, raw mango, tamarind, kokum, and Malabar tamarind, also known as kodam puli, which is famous in south of India. Next, we have khaskhas, which is used in our Bengali cuisine to thicken up the gravies. Also with that, we have safed til and kala til, known as sesame seeds. Ratan jod, also known as dyer's antlet, one of the exquisite spices that comes from the Kashmir region. It is used in one of the famous dishes known as Rogan Josh. And what we have over here are spices that are found in the Indian masala box, such as carom seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, garam masala, red chili powder, and turmeric. The most important ingredient to complete any dish is salt. We have common salt, sea salt, black salt, and the Himalayan pink salt. Talking about the most expensive spice is kesar, also known as saffron, which is used to flavor and color different dishes. A wide range of different red chilies such as mathania, which is used in the Rajasthan cuisine, Kashmiri mirchi, Guntur mirchi, and Bedki mirchi from Maharashtra. Rice, the staple food of most of the states in India. We have basmati rice, brown rice, black rice, and ukra chawal. No Indian food is complete without garam masala. Coming to different thickening agents, we have a variety of seeds such as pumpkin seeds, kaju karni, sunflower seeds, muskmelon seeds, and cashew nuts. Different kinds of fresh ingredients and spices, holy basil, mint leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger, garlic, and coconut. A different variety of dals, lentils, and beans. Sweetening agents such as sugars, honey, and jaggery. Flours used for different kinds of Indian breads such as whole wheat flour, rice flour, gram flour, whole millet, maize flour, and refined flour. Hope you have gained knowledge with this vast display of spices and ingredients. Thank you.